One more boy, Mego, Pitote Makamegi, where one make in Gang can, what a matter prima leng. So one more boy, Putepewa, one more leg away in my bed, you chat, each young pe one, Luak Meta short, K. Luak Mary Amakan, Wang, where we made it for my yard. Manu pi ni pot paya ke yobo, wanu take paya hame pi. Madita toal, manu wanu maro, ora kanyo warubo kidiang. Ere kar me meu kanywa, meu yu pi ni, kome do wanu to unya wanya, roti mabaya kumati kumane. Lagan about community ma be tiu ki pi ni. Aleone tuny ma mego tiyo kere me kanywa omiyo kombe de wan to mato pi maleng wan bene wadwa kwacho bon mego ni be me nyumego kwir be mego chero chung pe wa para be
ana poyo kwach mego kwanye kwan pi ni we are proposing a program of board. And again, for 1 to P. See what me of watch. Don't watch up in a match at Terra Borehole. They are little community. That I should. Don't any re the dairy or no. Well, and Madam Kilege, so quite a one. Hey man, quite my dear. No boy, one carry him.
Taicot village, Okot Parish, Labongamida West Sub-County. Yes, as you all know, there was an announcement on radio on Mighty Fire of the LC1s sending in letters for broken boreholes. On that letter, they should include the borehole number, the LC1's telephone number, and the LC1's village and his contact. So I have lobbied for the repair of boreholes. There's an organization going to help us on that. So I'll call upon all the LC1s with broken boreholes in Chua West to continue bringing in the letters. So far I have 41 letters. So this will take quite of a process. You have to all be patient. All boreholes will be worked on. My aim is to make sure people have access to clean drinking water, because some villages do not have boreholes at all, or rather there are boreholes, but the boreholes are all broken. So we should plan for how we can maintain our boreholes. Yes, the boreholes can be given to us in the villages, but how best can we maintain them? So we shall be having an account for borehole repairs. So my people of Chua West, please stand with me. I'm in the race for MP Chua West. I have a better vision for you. I have a better plan for you. I want to work with you for the development of Chua West. Thank you so much.
Now your caution is to the community around here about this borehole.
Yeah, so my caution to the community is to make sure that when the borehole is given to you, do not misuse it. Do not just pump anyhowly, because it can be given to you within a month or less than a month. It is broken. So we should follow on how we can pump this borehole well. We should be cautious enough so that it is not broken all the time. Because once a borehole is broken, it costs about 300,000 shillings to 600,000 shillings. depending on the degree of how it is spoiled. So, my people, when the borehole is given to us, let us maintain it. Let us not just pump anyhowly. That is my message.